Yo, what's good with y'all guys? What's up, Dance Crew? It's your boy Dance, and we're back with another video. Today, I really wanted to help my people out. So today, I just wanted to do something a little different from what I normally do. We're going to help you guys with some settings that help me play a little better on Marvel Rivals. I'm not some goddamn celestial eternity player or nothing like that, top 500 or nothing like that, but I'm good enough to, give you some tips to help you get better. I'm gonna go to settings. You use your controller, go to the sensitivity that you want to go to. Go to combat, you can change out, whatever it is you want to. One thing I like to suggest every time is reticle. If you don't personally like the reticle that you normally would have, you can default reticle to whatever reticle you would like. I sometimes just play around and I make up little reticles all the time. So I have random stuff here. This is something that'll definitely help you get into your bag, really unlock yourself. If you like the Halo reticle, you can pull out that like I did. I personally like that reticle a lot back in like the BRs, the battle rifles. But I mean, it's not for everyone. So I mean, I know people use dots. I've seen people have their whole screen full of reticle, which is crazy. This is where you go. You go to settings. You go to combat right here, and then you change your reticle here. You can literally go to multiple different types. You can circle, crosshairs, dot, circle, and crosshair. All right, let's see here. Reticle animation. This is how you can change whether it blooms. There's a little bloom effect right there. All that good stuff. That's how you change your reticle. That's just the startup. That's like the generic settings. Honestly, you can even change the color of your reticle as well. So you're right here. It's right here. This is the default. I have a lot of characters with different reticles, but I personally like to default or if I haven't used the character, just to get the generic. So a lot of times, if you want to go specific, not a lot of times, if you want to go specific, you want a specific character that you want. Like let's say I have, let me see, go Namor. Namor. My normal one is this. Namor. Yes, I'm a lord with Namor. All right.
My kingdom shall rise as swiftly as the seas. Foes to conquer.
So, with your on Xbox is RB, on PlayStation is R1, on computer I have no idea what it is because I've never played this on computer on mouse and keyboard. And if I did play it on PC, I'd play it with a controller most likely. I just have never been a keyboard guy. Never have. Probably never will. But anyways, your water shield, when you click it, it's no longer. So let me show you guys the default. Gotta go to combat. We're gonna click the hero that we want to change, because each hero you can change specific things for. So let's get over here. We're gonna take this off. If you don't put the hold, so to hold the RB on the Xbox, RB R1. Let's say I just tap it, and so it just holds it up there until you cancel it yourself. Okay, get a 20-second cooldown, and let me show you how it is when you hold it. So this, I prefer to have full control over my character. So when it comes to Namor, the hell am I throwing at? Wow, wow, wow. When it comes to Namor, I like to have control. So if someone uses a move, a faster control, honestly, and this is really fast for like if somebody does something quick, you can just control everything that's happening. You don't have to double tap or nothing. You just hold, let go. So, say someone's throwing a bomb or something, some kind of explosive attack is coming, but you don't see it in time. Well, you don't hear it in time. So you want to just quickly get into it and then get out of what you're doing. So if it's at the very end of it, you can hit this boom and let go. You cannot do that fast with the natural. Like you can try to tap it twice, but it won't go as fast as that, as if you were to hold it and have full control over it, like I just did.
Fools.
That's just a random Namor tip. I wasn't actually planning on talking Namor, but I guess I forgot that was actually a thing. So here we're gonna switch characters. I'm gonna go over here to my boy Venom. I'm not a lord yet with him, but I play like a damn lord with Venom. All right. So here, as you can see, I aimed where I wanted to go and I swung there. You can't default swing like that with Venom. So with Venom, by default, you don't have, get out of here, Namor. I don't understand why it keeps Namor there when I'm clearly using another character. It should like naturally switch, but whatever. With Venom, you don't naturally aim like go where you aim your crosshair. So let me see. So the easy swing, it's typically going to be projected on. Easy swing, it's wherever he decides to grab that. You don't have full control. Again, a lot of these settings are about having control over the character that you use. Like, if you don't want full control by any means, don't switch these settings. But if you want full control and you actually want to be able to do what it is that you're trying to do, switch these settings ASAP, okay? So yeah, easy swing is just boom. It's going wherever the hell it decides. You kind of aim it, but it doesn't really do what you want every time. So see, like that was kind of to the right of where I want it. Take off easy swing and it goes exactly where your crosshairs want you to go. So take the easy swing off and I'm aiming right there, and that's where it's going, mind you. Okay, now another thing about easy swing is you can't do, I'm gonna show you. We're gonna easy swing, right? So I can't aim at the ground and just grab the ground and swing across. You're like, wait, I've seen somebody do that with Venom and Spider-Man. See, like I'm aiming at the ground and he's still grabbing the roof. What if I don't want to do that? What if I'm in a crowded space and I'm trying to, you know, slide in there real quick, you know, but I can't because easy swing won't allow me to do that, you know? So that's when you go here, you take easy swing off. Now look at this. Go exactly wherever the hell I want to go. If I'm chasing somebody on the ground and I don't feel like swinging too high, it's a perfect move to get across the map. Here we go. Just like that. You can direct it wherever you want it. You actually have full control. This is about full control, y'all. Again, switch. I'm gonna go to Spidey. I don't play Spider-Man, but I do understand that I would rather not have easy swing on. Hold automatic swing, this automatic swing thing. See, they select the grappling points for you. I don't like that idea. I don't want you choosing where I want to swing, especially if you're in a jam. Let's say you're in a jam and you're trying to get away, and then the easy swing just goes, oh, I'm just gonna take you anywhere you want to go. But nah, that's not the goal here. The goal here is to have full control, y'all. Same with Spider-Man. That automatic swing, you take that automatic swing off so you can have full control of where you're swinging. Just like that. Just like that. Bing, 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 bing. Woo. I'm just playing around here. I don't really play Spider-Man at all because that wasn't even the combo. I've seen the combo plenty of times and still don't care. All right. Have another one. I want to say, one of my favorites. We're probably just gonna do 4 characters in this video, just 4. I'll pull out some more later. All right, so we have your boy Adam Warlock. Adam. I love Adam. One thing about me, guys, is I love Adam. All right. To balance it. So a lot of people, you'll see, they'll just do the regular throw, which is nothing wrong with this, because this throw is still very, very dangerous. Like, he hits hard. If you're not missing, he's a absolute problem. And that's just regular shot. You also have your hold. Your time has passed. But what happens if you don't have time? Like this, you miss one shot and then they're still coming at you. You miss 2 shots, X, Y, and Z. You don't have time. A lot of times I do this. Cosmic justice. Let's say it again. Oh, let me reload. Okay. Let's hit again.
This was always your fate.
Basically, like mixes your secondary fire with your primary fire. It just makes it a little faster. Like this move is naturally decent speed, but if you're missing, you can just spam a little bit there. Spam it. They actually nerfed this because this used to be way crazy. That's actually insane. They nerfed the hell out of it, but that's okay. I'll still give you the option to do it. Still decently fast. Not completely slow. It's very toxic for air. Like flyers. Flyers with this, they're out of there. Now, if you just hit your shots, which is slightly slower, it takes a little longer. That's okay. The goal here is you want to hold your secondary. You want to hold your regular fire. So your regular fire.
This was always
So while you're holding your regular fire, you want to tap your secondary like that. Tap your secondary. It's really that simple. I'm showing you guys on camera. This is live. Hold on. I'm just doing this. That's all I'm doing. That's it. It's nothing special. If your aim is bad, then it's not even gonna be worth it. But if your aim is good, it's free kills like that. Okay.
I have found more lost souls.
Try not to do it when you have to reload. I'm clearly rusty right now. That's okay. That's one of my favorite tips for Adam. Other than that, a big tip for Adam to me is for the ult. This ult is make or break in a game. A lot of people just think it's trash because he's just reviving people at like a low amount of health, blah 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 blah. But that isn't really the case. If you use this ult at the right time, you can literally save a game completely. A lot of times I typically don't use his ult later than I don't use his ult at the end of a fight. I typically use his ult in the middle of a fight so we can get basically a reset. So after they killed, let's say our team is we're up, we got the 6v6 going or whatever, and 2 people go down on our team. 1 person goes down on their team. When the 2 people go down during that time, I'm typically in that team fight. I'm popping my ult like this. So the moment those 2 people go down, they come right back and you heal them. You want to make sure you're healing them like that.
Second chances.
You want to make sure you're healing them immediately because it doesn't give them full health. You healed them, get back to action. By that time, you're looking at a 5v6 now. So now the fight is lopsided because now they're like, wait, we just killed them. Why are they back? It's basically Raccoon, but you know, on steroids because you get a lot more people coming back if you do it properly. If you do it late or after a team fight, like after the team has already died and you try to do it and you're close to the enemy team, you're probably going to get again to death. Okay. So make sure you don't do that. Don't enter the team fight. Use it. You can use it before the team fight starts also, but you got to know that somebody's about to get bopped because it'll be a waste at that point. So it's almost like middle of the fight. You're ding, ding, ding. Let me back on up and just pop this ult. You know what I mean? Another thing is this soul bond is good for divers. Once the divers get to you, you soul bond to protect yourself, take a little less damage because it's spread out throughout the team, and you go to work. Okay. All right, that's enough Adam talk. I wasn't expecting to talk about Adam that long either, but it happens. All right. Let me see. Who else we got for a great tip? Oh, Moon Knight, other Lord character I have.
Protector of overnight travelers.
A lot of people they downplay Moon Knight because they think he's the easiest thing on earth. Blah blah blah. If you have a good team pushing a Moon Knight, he's pretty much dead. A lot of people don't realize that. Moon Knight getting a lot of pressure. Most Moon Knights getting a lot of pressure can't handle a lot. Me personally, I am not your average Moon Knight. I typically am not like super onk dependent as far as like I need it. Like, of course you're gonna use the onk. It's like you're literally your kid. So, boom.
Vengeance is
A lot of people don't know when you drop the Ankh within that range, you know, you get the bounce up, you get the knock up. A lot of people don't realize this is like the setup for the ult half the time. So let's say I drop ult. As soon as you drop ult, you want to make sure, so boom, you want to make sure you hit them with that Ankh. Even if you're not throwing any damage, that Ankh's going to keep them in there at least for another second. And that extra second can change the game immediately. Let's say 3 people are piled up on top of each other. Alt, RB, or R1, or whatever it is on PC. I'm going to just say Q, because I feel like Q would just be the random letter to go with. But yeah. I am a Moon Knight that enjoys taking out air people, surprisingly. A lot of Moon Knights don't, because they don't usually know how to aim. So it's pretty normal for them to not be able to do half of that. Moon Knights, most Moon Knights, they're going to do this. They're going to throw this down and they're going to throw it at this. That's cool and all. That works for like your basic bitch, okay? That works for your basic guy. All right. For a decent player, they're going to be like, all right, let me get out of that. What you need to be able to do is aim at their body as well, because you do more damage when you drop Ankh and hit them first, because it bounces off of them into the Ankh back to them. If you hit the Ankhs, like if you're dropping Ankh right here and you don't knock up, first off, the knockup does a little damage. But if you don't even do the knockup and you drop Ankh and they run into it and you throw this, you're only going to get that one little bounce. So look, here it is. He's coming. That's it. He's going to get like 1 or 2 bounces. When you drop Ankh and then throw it at them, they feel everything. It comes back like 2 or 3 times. You're going to get more damage out of aiming at them than aiming at the Ankh. Don't get me wrong, if you're at an angle where you can't aim directly at them, then hit that Ankh. You know, sometimes you got to hit the Ankh like that. I guess I can give a quick Bucky tip. One of my favorite Bucky tips is utilize your abilities. Really that simple. Utilize your abilities. Utilize your abilities, you're going to always be able to shoot. When you utilize your abilities, you pretty much never have to reload like I just did there.
Playtime's over.
You won't always end up in a situation like this either. So there's that. Anywho, man, appreciate y'all rocking with it. That is the tips that I have for today. I will have more probably later on this week. Always remember that the work has to follow the little dream, the prayer, the wish. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's get it. Let's go. And we got it.